Good morning, students. How are you all? Come on, join first so that we can start our class. And today we are going to discuss about triangle, area of triangles. Okay, different sums will do. And those who are joining, just write your name once so that I can recognize you. Just write your name once. And come on, join first so that we can start our class as early as we can. Come on, join first so that we can start our class. Yes, good morning, all of you. Good morning, Sastik. Then Sahil Vishwakarma, Parth Agarwal, then Dishu Prasad, I can see Sapnajit Viswas, then Suraj Prasad. Yes. I can see them. Mahesh Rao, I can see. Come on, join first so that we can start our class. And get ready with your maths notebook and maths textbook. As you know that we have started this triangle. Okay. We have started this portion triangle. We'll continue that. Get ready with your maths book and maths notebook. Where are the other students? Like around, I can say 16 students are joined. Only 16 students are joined. Where are the others? Are they sleeping yet? Are they sleeping? Okay. Let's start then. All of you, let's start. I hope you all are ready with your notebook where you can solve the sums. Okay. So, ready, all of you? So, let's start. Okay. So, as you know that in our last live session, I told you about parallelogram, area of a parallelogram. Do you remember area of a parallelogram? I will draw it and want to repeat the same parallelogram. I will draw one for you. This is called parallelogram. This one. This one is called parallelogram. Can you see it? Can you see it clearly? Just write in the comments if you can see it clearly. This figure which I have drawn, can you see it clearly? Just write in the comment. Just write in the comment if you can see it clearly. Okay. Okay. So this is called parallelogram. Understood? This is known as parallelogram. Why is this known as parallelogram? Because this side and this side are parallel. Okay. This side and this side are parallel. And this side and this side are parallel. Okay. So when opposite sides are parallel, then we'll call it parallelogram. Like this opposite side parallel, and this side are also parallel. Means this side and this side, left side, right side are parallel. Top, bottom, they both are parallel. So when opposite sides are parallel, then we call them parallelogram. Okay. Now in parallelogram, how to find the area of a parallelogram? To find the area, we'll use a particular formula, base into height. We have discussed in our last live session, base into height. So this is the base and this is the height. Okay. See, try to understand this. This is the base. Yes, this is the base and this is the height. Okay. So this is the formula to find the area of a parallelogram. This is base and this is height. So area of a parallelogram is base into height. And remember, height is always perpendicular to the base. Got it? Height is always perpendicular to the base. We need to remember that. Understood? Now, so now if I give you this side, means this base and height, if I give you, then easily you can find the area of that. Okay, let us do a sum. Like find the area of a parallelogram. All of you listen the question carefully. Find the area of a parallelogram whose base is 18.5 centimeter. Okay, base is 18.5 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. So this is number 17. Question number 17. Read the question. Base is 18.5 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. So can you tell me what is the area of that parallelogram? Find it. All of you find it. Area of parallelogram. Question number 17. Solve it and tell me the answer in the comment. Area equal to base into height. Base is given. Height is also given. So just find the area and tell me the answer in the comment section. Come on. First. Okay, 183 square centimeter. Yes, Jigasa, you are correct. 183. 183 centimeter square. This is the correct answer. 185. 185. Yes, 18.5 into 10. 185 is the correct answer. Very good. Yes, correct. Correct. Okay. So, this is done. Now, come to question number 19. Question number 19. See, what is 19? Two sides of a parallelogram are 20 and 25. I will draw another parallelogram for you. Okay. Another parallelogram I am drawing. 20 and 25. Okay. This is 25. This is 20. 25 and 20 centimeter. Can you see this parallelogram? This one, see, this is 25 and this is 20. This side is 20 centimeter, this side is 25 centimeter. Okay. Now, with the side 25 centimeter, the height is 10 centimeter. Okay, see, with this base, when the base is 25, then the height is 10 centimeter. Okay, I repeat, when the base is 25, height is 10. That means what is the area? Area equal to base into height, that is 25 into 10. Okay, see, base into height, so 25 into 10. Now if I change the base, if this is my base, okay, if I change the base, now this is my base. When this is my base, then what is my height? Then this is my height. Try to understand, all of you. When this is your base, then this is your height. Okay, when this is your base, then this is your height. When this is the base, then this is the height. So when this is the base and this is the height, then area is base into height, that is 25 into 10. But when this is the base, then this is the height, then what will be the area? Area will be base into height. Base is 20, height we do not know. This height we do not know. Let the height be x. Let this is be x. Okay, x. So what is the area? Area is 20 into x. That is base into height. Height is not there. That's why I'm considering height is x. See, try to understand this. This is base into height. Okay, equal to, this is base into height. Okay, base into height. See, base into height. And both I'm making them equal. Why equal? Because this is one parallelogram. Whether you take this base or this base, whichever direction you find the area will be equal. Why the area will be equal? Because it's the same parallelogram. If I want to measure your height from your leg to head or your head to leg, the things will come same. You understood my point? Say your study table. You want to find the length of your study table. Okay, you want to find the length of your study table. What you did? You are measuring the length from that corner to this corner. So from wherever you start, the length should be same, because the table is same. It's a single table, same table. So from wherever the direction you are measuring, the things will come equal. So the same way, you are taking this as base or you are taking this as base. Okay, this base or this base, the area should be equal. Okay, area should be equal. Understood? So in this way I can solve. Now x equal to 20 will come down. Okay, 0 0 cancel, 12.5 centimeter. Try to understand this, some of you. Try to understand this and solve it. Answer is 12.5 centimeter. All of you draw this figure and solve it like this. Base into height equal to base into height. Area will be equal. Come on, do it, all of you. Done? Understood, all of you? Okay. Answer is 12.5 centimeter. I hope you understood this sum. Now, question number 20. Next question. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 35 and 42. Okay, if you take a parallelogram, adjacent side means side by side, one after another. Yes, you're saying, sir, understood. Very good. If you have understood. Now, I'm drawing another parallelogram. I will show you that whose sides are two adjacent side of a parallelogram 27 and 18. One side is 27, another side is 18. Try to understand this figure. This parallelogram, this side is 27 and this side is 18. Okay, this side is 27, this side is 18. Now we have to find the height. When this is the base, what is the height? We have to draw the height here. When this is base, what is the height? And when this is base, then what is the height? Okay, two different base means two different height will get. We have to find that. Okay, so now base into height equal to area. Area is given 540. This parallelogram area is given 540 equal to 540. So we can write this way. See, if this is the base, if 27 is the base, then x is the height, 27 into x. Okay, if this is the base, then this is the height, 27 into x equal to 540. 540 is the area of this parallelogram. So 27 into x equal to 540. So x equal to 540 by 27. So x equal to 20. X equal to 20. Try to understand this. When this is the base, then this is the height. This is base means this is height. So base into height equal to 540. So x equal to 540 by 27. So I'm getting x equal to 20. So this height is 20. Understood? Now, if this is the base, when 18 is the base, 18, this is the base, then what is the height? Again, I have to draw height here. Let us draw the height. See, when this is base, 18 is the base. Okay, this is the base. Then this is the height. Y is the height. Try to understand, all of you. When 18 is the base, then y is the height. What formula I can write? Base into height. Base is 18. Base is 18 and height is y. So base into height, 18 into y. 18 into y. 18 into y equal to area. What is the area? 540. So let us write 540. So y equal to 540 by 18. That is 30. See, 18 into 540. See this? 18 into y equal to 540. Okay, base into height equal to area. So in this way, we got y equal to 30. So we got the other height. So you have to draw this figure. This is next question, question number 20. You have to draw this figure. This figure you have to draw, okay? This figure you have to draw. After that, you have to solve all this. Try to understand and solve it if you have not solved yet. Come on, solve it. All of you solve it. Okay, done. Fine. Fine. Rishu Prasad is saying, sir, done and understood also. Very good. If you have done and understood, I hope you all have understood. It's not so tough sum. Simple, the base is given, height to find, area is also given. And we know the formula, base into height equal to area. This formula you don't forget. Okay. Uh, yes, sir, you didn't give. I'm not giving any imply sign here, but you have to give imply sign. Okay. Okay. I'm not giving any imply sign here in this sum, but I'm just showing you the technique and understand. Okay. Imply sign is must. You have to give imply sign. Got it? This is must. Understood? Next. Next, I will draw a figure. See question number 22A. I will draw a figure. Okay. 22A, we have to, this is 22A figure, we have to find the shaded region. See the figure, we have to find this region, shaded region. To find this region, just what we need to do? We'll find the area of this rectangle. From that, we'll minus area of this triangle. Finished. Okay. From this rectangle, we'll minus triangle. That much. Understood? So, all of you write in this way. Right. 22A. Right. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the triangle. Okay. Area of the rectangle minus area of the triangle equal to, what is the formula of area of the triangle? Length into breadth. Okay. So here length and breadth both are given. Length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. Okay. So write in this way, equal to length into breadth, right? Length into breadth means 12 into 7 minus area of the triangle. What is the formula of area of the triangle? We have done in the beginning of this exercise. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. Half into base. Base is 7 into height. Height is 4. Try to understand, all of you. This is the sum. Area of the rectangle, length into breadth. Area of the triangle, half into base into height. Half into base. This is the base and this is the height. Okay, this is the base and this is the height. Half into base into height. Okay. Now simple calculation will do. 84 minus 6. This is the calculation. Simple calculation. Say this calculation, all of you. Length into breadth, rectangle, length into breadth minus area of triangle, half into base into height. So in this way we are solving it. Try to understand, all of you, and finish it. This is 22A. Finish it, all of you. All of you just finish this sum. This is 22A. Done? Okay. So now all of you come to question number 22B. 22B. In this question, Question number 22b. Again, a parallelogram is given. Okay. To find the shaded region, I will show you the figure. To find the shaded region, this is the shaded region I want to show you. This is the parallelogram. Try to understand. All of you try to understand. This is the parallelogram. Okay. From this parallelogram, if I minus this triangle is not shaded. From this parallelogram, if I minus this triangle, I will get this area of shaded region. Okay, area of shaded region. So all of you write area of shaded region equal to area of shaded region equal to area of parallelogram minus area of triangle. Okay, equal to next line, equal to what is the area of parallelogram? Yes, area of parallelogram means base into height. We know the formula. What is the base? 16. What is the height? 10. So write 16 into 10. So I'm writing that area of the parallelogram is base into height. So 16 into 10. From that we have to minus area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle means half base into height. Half into base. Base is 6. Height is 10. This is the sum. Try to understand, all of you. Base into height, this is the area of the parallelogram. This is base and this is height. So base into height is the area of parallelogram minus half into base into height. Half into base. The base of the triangle is 6. Because here one more line is given. This is given 10. See, try to understand this figure. All of you try to understand this figure. This is the parallelogram. This is given. This is also given. Now, this much is given 10. This much. Only this much. Can you see? Only this much. 10. If this is 10, then this is also 10. This much is also 10. But the whole base is 16. Whole base is 16. And this much is 10. So how much is this? 6. This is 6. So half into base into height. Half into base. Base is 6 and height is 10. That's given in the question. That's why half into base into height. 6 is base and height 10 is the height of this triangle. Got it? So we have to calculate this now. If I calculate 160 minus 2 3 130 centimeter square is the answer. 130 centimeter. Oh, this is meter. This is meter. So 130 meter square. This is the answer. Understood? Solve it, all of you. Those who have not solved yet, solve it. Those who have not solved yet, solve it. Okay. Now, question number C, 22C. 22C. See, a figure is there, a parallelogram is there, and inside parallelogram, a square is given. Inside parallelogram, a square is given. Okay. First of all, a parallelogram, and inside parallelogram a square is given. Fine. Now if you see inside the square, it's not shaded. Okay. So to find the area of the shaded region, all of you write question number 22C. Write down, all of you. Area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region equal to area of the parallelogram minus area of square. Area of parallelogram minus area of square. Got it? Now, next line. Next line you write, what is the formula of area of parallelogram? Base into height. So base is 30, height is 20. Base is 30, height is 20. So write 30 into 20. Okay. 30 into 20. Now what is the area of square? Area of square is side into side. What is the area given? 6. Oh, sorry. What is the side of the square given? 6. So that will be side into side. That is 6 into 6. So first of all, we have written base into height minus side into side. Okay. This is the way. See. First of all, base into height, parallelogram base into height minus area of the square, side into side. This is the way. I hope you understood this. Now solve it. 600 minus 36, that is 564 meter square. 564 meter square. This is the sum. Try to understand, all of you. This is the sum. Okay. This is the sum. Try to understand. Fine. Okay. Now, I will show you another figure. Question number 27. Another figure I'm showing you. See this figure. This is number 27. This figure is number 27. Try to understand, all of you. We have to find the shaded portion. Only this portion we have to find. To find that, from this from this rectangle, can you see this rectangle? From this rectangle, will minus this triangle, will minus this triangle, will minus this triangle. Okay. Understood? From this rectangle, will minus this triangle, will minus this triangle, and will minus this triangle. All this triangle will minus. Fine. So write down. Write down. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region equal to. Area of the shaded region equal to area of the rectangle minus area of all the triangles. Okay, area of all the triangles. So area of the shaded region equal to area of the rectangle minus area of all the triangles. How many triangles are there? How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. So all this triangle area we have to find. Okay, all this triangle. Now 1 minute. This total is 9. Can you see? This total is 9. So this total should be 9. No, this is 9. So this should be 9. Okay, but this much is 5 given. So this much should be 4. No, because 4 plus 5 will be 9 and they will be equal. Understood all of you? I repeat once more. This is 9. So this should be 9. But this is much is 5. So how much is this? 4. 4. Say this way. 4, 5, 9. This much is 9. And this much is also 9. Okay. This is the thing. Now, so how to find the area of the shaded region? Area of the shaded region equal to area of the triangle. Area of the rectangle. What is the formula of area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle means, yes, length into breadth. What is the length here? Length is 24. Try to understand. Length is 24 into base. Okay. Minus area of the first triangle. Area of the first triangle, half into base into height. Half into 12 into 9. Minus half into base into height. Minus half into base into height. This is the way we have to do. Try to understand this sum, all of you. Important sum. Here, base into height I am doing. Base into height. This is the base. This is the base. 12, 12, 24. 12, 12, 24. This is the base. Okay, or you can say length into breadth. This is the length and this is the breadth. So 24 into 9. Length, breadth. 24 into 9 minus area of this triangle. How to find the area of this triangle? Half into base into height. Half into base. Base is 12, height is 9. So half into base into 9. Okay. Half into base into height. This triangle. Now this triangle. Half into base into height. Base is 12, height is 5. Half into base into height. Minus this triangle. Half into base into height. Half into base. What is the base? 4. Base is 4. And height is 3. Half into base into height. Half into 4 into 3. This is the formula. Try to understand all of you this. All of you try to understand this. Okay. Now, if I complete the calculation, what I'll get? 2 6 54 minus 2 6 30 minus 2 2 6. So what I'm getting? 1690. 120 centimeter square. This is the answer. See, try to understand all of you. Try to understand all of you. And complete it. Try to understand and complete it. Okay. Understood? Understood? So those who have not done, finish it. Those who have not done, finish it. Those who have not done, finish it. Okay, done. I hope it's done. Hope it's done and you have understood also. Okay. I hope it's done and you have understood also. Fine. Fine. Okay. Yes, sir. Understood. Understood. You are writing. Yes, sir. Understood. Good. If you have understood. Now see question number 21. All of you see question number 21. In 21, the base and corresponding altitude. Altitude means height. I repeat, altitude means height. So the base and corresponding altitude of a parallelogram are 35 centimeter and 42 centimeter. Okay, base and height 35 and 42. If the other altitude is 30, then what is the length of other pair of parallel sides? I will discuss the question. You will understand. It's a easy question. It's an easy question. The base and corresponding altitude is 35 and 42. This is 35 and 42. See this figure and try to understand. All of you see this figure. This is 35, base is 35 and altitude is 42. Understood? Base 35, altitude 42. So what will be the area of it? What will be the area of it? Area will be base into height. Base is 35 and height is 42. So what is the area? Area is base into height. Okay. See, base into height. Base into height. Understood? Now, base into height is done. Now, it's given that if the other altitude is 30, other altitude means other altitude is 30. See, this is other altitude. This altitude is 30. Then what is this base? Means we have to find this x. Try to understand, all of you. If this is 30, then what is this? How much is this? This is x. This is x. So what is the area? Base into height. Base is x. X into 30. Okay. X into 30. Now, one thing I told you, a parallelogram, if you take this base or if you take this as base, the area will be same. Why? Because it's the same parallelogram. There is only one parallelogram. Whether you take this base or you take this base, from whichever you take base, you will get the same area. Understood? You will get the same area. So here, so in this sum, base into height, and again we have done base into height. This is area, this is also area, and both the area will be equal. Why both the area will be equal? Because this is the same parallelogram. Okay, it's the same parallelogram. So both the area will be equal. So x equal to 35 into 42 by 30. So if you cancel it, 5 7 ja 5 6 ja 49. Okay, 49. What is the other side? This is 49. Okay, try to understand, all of you, and finish it. Try to understand and finish it. All of you try to understand and finish it. Okay, so this is the thing. So we got 49. Yes, I can see. Uh, this 49, 49. Yes, I can see 49, 49. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. Very good. Very good. So 49 is the correct answer. So we have discussed the area of a parallelogram, and we saw that area of a parallelogram means base into height. So you take this as base or this as base. So whichever is base, according to you have to take the height, and base into height have to give you have to find the area accordingly, and whichever you take base you will get the area, and area will be same. Both the area will be same. Why? Because there is only single parallelogram, so that's why area will be same. Understood? So we have discussed parallelogram, we have done. Now all of you will write your name here. All of you will write your name here, and I want to see who are attending the class. Got it? So all of you start writing your name. We'll keep our class this much, so I can see that you have written your name, all of you. So let's bind up this class. We'll meet in our next live session. Fine. Thank you. Thank you, all of you.